Have you ever wondered what happens to our adventures and experiences when we face different choices and challenges? Let's explore the concept of quantum immortality, where we discover the thrilling idea of never-ending exploration. Quantum immortality tells us that there might be many parallel realities, just like different versions of our world. In each reality, we make different choices and face unique adventures. Sometimes, things may seem difficult or even dangerous, but there's a fascinating twist to it. Imagine that you are playing a game where you have many lives. In one life, you might face a big challenge and lose, but in another life, you might succeed and keep going. Quantum immortality suggests that your consciousness, the part of you that thinks and feels, will keep experiencing the adventures where you continue to exist. This concept comes from the magical world of quantum physics, where tiny particles can exist in different places at the same time. It's like having many possibilities all happening together. Quantum immortality opens our minds to the idea that our consciousness might keep exploring different adventures across parallel realities. It means that even if our physical bodies can't continue in one reality, our consciousness might continue in another, always seeking new experiences. While quantum immortality is still a big mystery, it invites us to imagine the endless possibilities and adventures that might await us. It encourages us to embrace the unknown and look forward to a world full of surprises and new beginnings.